What's up?
Hello everyone!
Welcome back to Adventures with KP and Lee. Today is March the 15th, Monday, and we are going to Cancun for 4 days and 3 nights. So we will be taking videos and pictures, so stay tuned for more of our adventures. And it's about 3:30 in the morning. We were so excited, we didn't really get a good sleep. But enjoy, and we will see you back when we get to the airport.
So we are on the way to look for our transportation to our resort. Be aware that there will be agents on the sideline trying to sell you excursions and activities, but if you already have it planned, you can just ignore them and keep walking.
Welcome to our room. Okay, so for the rooms, in order for the electricity to work, you have to have your card in this thing here. So if it's out, then it's off, and then if it's in, then it's on. So off, on. Here's the restroom. They have a shower, 2 sinks, and a toilet. So nothing special. Here's the closet. They give us 2 robes. There's also a safe in there where you can store all your valuables. Down here is the mini fridge. They have beers, sodas, and water, all included. Unfortunately, due to COVID, they didn't have any liquor in the room like how they usually do. Here's our balcony. We had an ocean view. This is the main pool. If you haven't seen our video tour of the resort, do check that out. I'll link it here on the screen.
We headed down to the bar at the theater, and I got a mango pina colada mixed drink. The bartender said that was one of the most popular ones.
I got the blue coral drink. It consists of white rum, triple sec, coconut cream, pineapple juice, and blue carousel. We haven't eaten the whole day, so we decided to grab some snacks here at Lounge 24 before dinner. Alright, we're about to go eat dinner at their steakhouse called Black and White. So you're gonna have to dress up a little bit. That's why I'm wearing this polo. So here is the restaurant. It is all outside dining.
These restaurants are all you can eat, but they only allow you to order 1 entree per person. So after you finish with your entree, you can order seconds if you want to. This is our appetizer, 2 crab cakes. I didn't like it much because there's not a lot of crabs in there. I think it consisted more of flowers.
Here are our entrees. I got the choice ribeye steak, which is surprisingly very good and very well cooked. So I thoroughly enjoyed this.
Here I have the Caribbean lobster with corn, broccoli, and grilled tomato. The texture was a little bit rubbery, as it may be a little bit overcooked, but the seasoning was perfect.
As you can see, the lobster is so good, we got seconds. After dinner, we took a few pictures and then called it a night because we have a big day tomorrow. Thank you for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
Stay tuned for our day 2 of Cancun. We will be going to Xcaret Park.
Peace out.